Hello everyone, SolidWorks users. The part which I'm going to produce is called plane handle. So let's start this without any view. So the first thing we do is adding a couple of references. So I think one reference would be the center of this arc, starting from here and then adding a horizontal reference there. Then making another one on top of that, which is 53 above this, adding a smart dimension between that one and this one, that is 53. Okay, so maybe I change that screenshot with something more clear, more visible. And just replacing this with something cleaner, which is here. All right, next thing is right. We need to know offset between that line here and this line here. So this is radius of 12. The other one is radius of 22. So they're 10 mil to the right. So I can make a reference line here, 10 millimeter to the left of this one. That being this. All right. So now intersection of this one, that one is here. That's the center of this circle there. So constructing an arc from here and starting from there to nearly here. Okay, so the radius for that is 12. From that quarter point, let's draw a line vertically down, and then from that reference point here, I make an arc all the way to here, and then getting rid of the lower part of this line by trim, making an arc with a radius of 72, and fixing the radius. Next, I bring that nearly here and make add relationship between this one and that one, making them tangent. And then adding a relation between 72 and that arc good. It seems we just made the inner part of that. Okay, so what you need is from that quarter, 3 mil in, 10 mil up. So simply add a line from here to here, making the height of the line 10 mil, and then making this line from here 3 mil. Okay, so next we connect from here to there, and also from here to there, making a cutout there. Now let's come down from this one, from that center by 16 mil down, make a reference line 16 mil lower than that. And then that is a 42 mil away from here. So in another word, if I extend that to here, I can make the length of this reference line 42, and that locates the center of this arc. So from the center of this arc, you just make a quarter up to here, and then all right, so from this edge I extend that line up, maybe using a center line. All right, now let's make an arc with a radius of 45, which is okay, 45. Yeah, that center is not specified yet, but I make a line from here to the horizontal, and another line here to there. That has to be 22. Okay, 22 joining these two ends, and that has to be 70. 70. All right, how do I find the position of this point? I need to extend that, and the intersection here, that is the position. Okay, that's the um, key to solve this. From here, if I go all the way there, that intersection is a very important point. So I make a line from here to there, and then if I come down from that 45 mil down, that is giving me the center of this, which is a very critical point. So down the line here, I add a point and then make the distance between that point to here, make them 45. All right, now I have the center of this. All right, I think I made a mistake here. That 42 is not tangent to the inner circle. That should go another 22, 32, 10 mil to the left. So um, 10 mil to the left. Ten mil. Now from this 10 mil, I add another 42. Make this 42. Okay, now from this 42, make that arc with a radius of 42. All right, so let's remove this one. And now um, all right, that start from the quarter of this arc and yeah, the rest maybe doesn't need to be changed. Let's make sure this is 22. Small dimension, this has to be 22. Yeah, that's 22. And now that I have the center of 45 sitting yeah, the center of 45 is along this line, not this one. So that is the center of 45. And we throw a 45 arc from here. passing through this center of the arc, which is here, I draw a freehand line. This line just is 30 degrees with respect to the origin, but let me specify that. So between this line and that line, the angle has to be 30. Alright, so this is passing through the center of that 45. Okay, and then I have to extend this line upward. Extend, 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 and even that has to be further extended. So, from the center of this arc, well, now that I know the center of this one, I think that is from the center. I draw a line, and that line is 30 degrees with respect to the horizon, 30 degrees. And then it starts from that center, okay? So then is another line from the same center to here. Let's make it free hand. And then adding an angle of 60 between these two. 60. Now, from the center of this arc, let's draw a 32 arc. That is 32. All right, 32. And right, so these are just not construction line, but symmetry line. And then I trim it from here, trim that one from here. And now we can connect these ends together. And then from that center, let's draw an arc with a radius of 122. The radius is 122. That is okay. And another one, 106. it 106. And right, so let's extend this line all the way here and trim this one here, and then I can simply make a line from here to there and one line from here to there here. Then let's offset this line by 5 mil. Select offset 5 mil. And offset this one by 5 mil. Reverse the direction. Okay, almost there. I just keep the outside edges of that arc, and here I need to make a sharp intersection, which later can be converted to fillets. Alright, so I think I removed that arc. This is, let's see if we can extend this. Yep. Alright, so that's been extended, and extend this one, and then trim here. Now I think the last thing is to fillet these sharp edges, but by radius of 20. Make that 20. Yeah, that 20 is too big for this one, but for that, alright, so what I do is radius of 20. Make a circle, radius of 20, and fix the diameter. Okay, so the very same shape, we just copy it from here to here. Alright, now let's bring that one close to these two edges, and bring this one close to these two edges here. Let's see if we can add relation to those. This has to be tangent to that, and also that one to be tangent to this. Just, I think what we need is to make them coincident and the same, removing the extras. relationship to that one and this one. Make them tangent, and this one and that one. Make them no. Making this arc and that line to be tangent. Okay, so this point and that point coincide, and the 5 mil. Yeah, that can be extended. Join. Now it is ready for trim. Let's check the sketch. So sketch one line is missing here. Go back to edit and patch this little space from here to here. That would complete the sketch. And now you see the color being shaded. This is an indication the contour is closed. And now I believe this shape should be ready for extrusion. I extrude that 5 mil, and here we are. So that hacksaw handle being created. I just save that as and then adding material to that. Make this out of aluminum 6061. Apply, close, and now the mass for this aluminum part is 104 grams. This is one way of checking that everyone get the same weight. If you make a tiny mistake, the weight or mass you calculate will be different with that. And you can create a drawing from this A4 and just by bringing that part here so the dimension can be added. I hope this video helped you in learning more about the SolidWorks and completing your assignment. Take care and hope to see you soon.